but right now, like it already got to around 5,500 a month. Like that's nice.
Wait,
5,500.
that's sick. What?
That's it's consistent. Like that.
Let's
It's
go,
been.
man.
It's. I've been having a channel manager for a long time now. He's basically
Nice.
doing 95% of the work. I'm just
Mm-hmm.
choosing like once a month. I just pick the topics for the
Amazing.
entire month, and just like insert the affiliate links, and that's it. Basically, that's all I do. So it came down to about maybe an hour a week, maybe. So
Oh, that's
I'm
proper
open.
automation.
I can say that I just booked our family vacation for the summer, and I know it's not a cheap thing, but I know that all of that is coming back and more within a month from YouTube. So it was like
That's amazing.
it was an easy thing to do. Like we're going to Greece for 10 days. We're gonna have a car there. We're gonna go to the islands, and it's all covered by YouTube. That's crazy. So
Just want to ask you a few questions based on like the experience overall with the program, because I want to kind of take this and obviously share. So the first question basically was like, what have you really been able to achieve with the channel since you started? Because I know you were at a place where you were doing okay. You're posting quite sporadically. So what kind of happened since when you joined versus like now?
yeah, so I think that the most important thing I learned, like I got from it, is how to be more consistent with it, how to build the team around it that can really work as a machine and do it on time with no bullshit, like getting it done. So I can post like every other day those videos. I think that was the main. If I'm looking at the ability, like what I learned is how to build a proper team that can really execute. And I think that's the most important thing, because once you have the team that does the work well enough and you get to the point that the videos are done and done properly, it becomes much easier. Like everything is easier. So I think that was the main. And the channel is doing pretty good. The channel is as it's been like growing slowly, but always the trend is good. It is like I'm the slowest guy in the entire course for sure. Like
But also the
nobody,
most consistent.
the most consistent. Like
That's the key, man.
growing like $100 per month for a while. No, every time it changes, it
Man,
fluctuates. But right now, like it already got to around 5,500 a month. Like that's nice.
wait,
5,500.
that's sick. What?
That's it's consistent. Like that.
Let's go, man.
It's been that way for the past couple of months now. Like around between 4,500 to 5,500. So it's it's
Let's
been growing
go,
for a
man.
couple of months now. Yeah. So I'm happy about that. So
Mm-hmm.
happy I started thinking about maybe opening a new channel or doing something like adding one more thing, because I feel like this is already pretty automated for me. Like
Yeah,
I've been having a channel manager for a long time now. He's basically
nice.
doing 95% of the work. I'm just
Mm-hmm.
choosing like once a month. I just pick the topics for the
Amazing.
entire month, and just like insert the affiliate links, and that's it. Basically, that's all I do. So it came down to about maybe an hour a week, maybe. So
Oh, that's
I'm
proper
open.
automation.
Yeah. So I'm open for a new adventure. I think just waiting for my daughter to give me some night sleep so I can
Okay.
work at night, and
That's
and
fair.
claim again the ability to plan my day and not just react.
Kind of touched on it a little bit, but I'm curious, like what overall, like what was your life like before the journey with us and then after, just like the whole business in general?
Yeah. So when I joined the program, I had a monetized channel already. I was making really low amounts.
Do you
And I
remember how
joined the
much?
probably maybe $100 a month, maybe. But I
Okay.
wasn't paying anybody. Like I was doing all the work myself. I was doing the
Right, yeah.
script writing. I was doing the voiceovers with AI.
Mm-hmm.
The
Right,
AI we
right.
had 2 years ago, which was now listening to the
Yeah.
videos I did back then, sounds like robots, even though I thought it was very, very good at the time.
Yeah.
I was doing the editing, like everything was done by me. So I was putting a lot of time to it, but didn't really see the results to it. and I was at a point I decided I'm either going to do it the right way, like either I'm either going to do it all in, or I'm going to stop doing it. That
Right.
was the point I was at when I joined the program. And I think that first of all, joining the program made me accountable, like made me think about the fact that, okay, I took the leap. Now I need to really, back it up and not stop doing it.
Yep.
So first of all, it made me carry on and do it, and not give up, even though it didn't happen overnight.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So it was both the money investment, and moreover, like the fact that I don't know if you remember, but at the beginning I really joined. I think we had 2 calls a week.
Yeah.
I would join every call. I was there for
Yeah.
every call. Didn't always have what to say or what to show, but I was there for every call. I was fully committed, and I said, okay, I'm gonna do it like I was getting obsessed over it. I was doing it
Mm-hmm.
all the time. So it really changed the way I took it. I decided to take it much more seriously. That's the first thing like I can say about it. Um, and on top of that, of course, that when you get an additional income to your life, it wasn't there before. It doesn't matter how much you made before, but like it's always good. It always gives you more freedom. It always gives you
Of
more
course.
peace of mind. So for me, it was a great opportunity, or it still is. Like I can I can say that I just booked our family vacation for the summer, and I know it's not a cheap thing, but I know that all of that is coming back and more within a month from YouTube. So
That's amazing.
it was an easy thing to do. Like we're going to Greece for 10 days. We're gonna have a car there. We're gonna go to the islands,
So
and it's all covered by YouTube. That's crazy. So I couldn't imagine like feeling so easy about spending that money beforehand, because now it's not part of the regular, like it's not money coming in every month to our bank account and part of our regular life, and paying the bills and stuff. It's not that. It's the money that we keep on the side, on the Payoneer account, or doesn't really matter where, but it's not part of the day to day. So it's piling up and super cool. Like it's making a lot of choices easier. Like a lot of things like are easier to decide to do and not feel stressed about.
what would you say to anyone who's on the edge, on the fence about joining our program? What would be your opinion on that?
I would say that first of all, there are so many other programs out there. Uh, I think that a lot of them can't really back up the price. They can really back up the what they do. I do feel that your program, and I've been to another, so I'm not like not just shooting it. I think the most important thing that I felt, like right now, I'm not as consistent with the program as I used to be. Okay, but I think that one of the things I can really speak highly about is the fact that you are very involved. Like you really care about the students. You really reach out to them, make sure that everything is okay. There are the calls. Like it's, I think, much more student centric than other programs I saw. It's not just watch a recorded video, have a call once a month or twice a month, and good luck. It's more like really trying to assist. I would say that everybody that thinking about joining the program, ask yourself: are you really willing to do the work in order to get it done? Because otherwise, they will be disappointed. Not from the program, but they won't reach anything. So I would just tell them, if you really have it in you to do the work, it's a great program to get into, because like you really care about the students. You really try to help them. Every student have the place to express their issues, show their problems, talk about it with the group. And I think it does really help to be part of a group. Like I think it really helps to see other people's struggle, to see like on the bad side, on the good side, you can see them succeed and get the inspiration from their success as well. So being part of a group and not all alone fighting the YouTube algorithm is a great thing that you can do, because it puts things in perspective. It gives you somebody to discuss, like discuss the problems with. get some additional help, open your horizons and see what other people are doing and understand that maybe a comment that somebody else's channel got can be very relevant for your channel as well. So it, and the most important thing is, the problem with most things we do is not the things that we know that we don't know. I think the biggest problem is with the things that we don't even know that we're not aware of. Like, we're not aware of the fact that we don't know them. And when you are in a meeting like that, when you see other people ask about their problems, it makes you understand that maybe you have a problem you didn't even know about, or maybe you have a question you wouldn't think about this question yourself just because he's asking something or she's asking about her channel about something she experienced. It like makes you understand that, oh, I never even looked at that metric, or even never even thought about that, or I never even ran that report, or it doesn't really matter what, but it makes you think about things you wouldn't have think about, or
right.
like it brings it to your awareness, which is super important. So that's
no, seriously, Liad, thank you so much. And honestly, I'm extremely proud. Like, you have no idea. You reminding me of where you were when you started. Like you said, $100 a month to now 5,500 a month and growing is just insane. Like, I'm so happy to hear that, because I know you went through all your trials, the tribulations, like all the things that were just testing you constantly. And then here you are, still staying consistent after all this time. It's amazing, man. I'd love to see it.
Me too. I'm happy to show it. And thank you for all the assistance along the way,
So yeah, I'm excited to see you double the channel, double the results, and then
Amen.
hop on the
Amen.
next project.
Amen. Cool, bro.
Brother,
Enjoy
always
Cape
good to
Town.
man. Thank you,
Bye.
man. Thank